Hey, this is Will from the House of Bearded Ape. Let me show you how to apply Beard Balm. Now this is the Bearded Ape's French Roast, one of my personal favorites. And what's unique is that they also have a guitar pick here for the applicator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a dollop, like about a dime size. I'm going to grab here. I'm going to apply it on here, onto my hand. And the great thing about the Beard Balm is it smooths, conditions, and also manages my beard. So I'm going to rub it in until it emulsifies because of the shea butters. And I'm going to apply it right on my skin. So first inside the skin, and then you're going to bringing it down, patting it in. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my Bearded Ape comb and just apply it. And I'm going to use the mirror here to just give it shape. There you have it. And thanks for watching and allowing us to enhance your beard.